Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a device on the SmartLife app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rename one of your smart plugs. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first log on to the SmartLife app. Then from here, you should see a list of all the devices that you have connected. Click on the device that you want to go ahead and rename, then click on the edit option on the upper right hand corner. Then click on the pencil option again on the upper right hand corner. And this is where you could actually change the name. So we're going to click on Smart Plug and then we're going to call it Christmas Tree because this plug controls our Christmas tree. So once you enter the new name, click on confirm and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rename a device on the SmartLife app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.